Ever searched for the perfect car phone holder and just ended up with a wobbly mess of disappointment on your dashboard? You're not alone. I've tested them all, and today I'm revealing the brutal truth about the Miracase 3-in-1 car phone holder, including the one shocking thing nobody tells you about its magnetic mount. \n, but here's what surprised me. After a month of testing, this isn't just another accessory. It's a potential game changer that actually lives up to most of its hype. Therefore, the real question isn't just about features, it's whether those features are worth the premium price tag over a basic $10 clip. For the best price, click the link in the description. \n, let's dive into the unboxing. The Miracase arrives feeling premium. You get the main vent mount unit, a sturdy CD slot adapter, a dashboard adhesive disc for a clean install, and the star of the show, a slim magnetic ring for your phone and a matching magnetic case. Right away, you notice the weight. This isn't flimsy plastic. It has a solid metallic heft that whispers, "I won't break next Tuesday." But opening the box is the easy part. The true test is on the road, and that's where most holders fail spectacularly. Therefore, my first mission was to see if this heavy-duty build could survive my pothole-ridden commute. \n started with the vent mount, the most common setup. The clamping mechanism is strong, with wide, grippy pads that cradle your car's vent slats without seeming like they'll snap them off. It clicks into place with a satisfying, confident thunk. I attached the magnetic ball head, slapped the included metal plate onto my phone case, and went for the first connection. Snap! It locked on with an authority that made my old suction cup holder seem like a nervous joke. Seriously, that suction cup had the grip of a politician's promise. Here's the first mini promise. I'm going to show you the insane shaking test that proves this grip isn't just for show. \n, and it worked flawlessly. Over bumps, around corners, the phone stayed put. The 360-degree rotation is buttery smooth, allowing for perfect viewing angles in both portrait and landscape. This is where the Miracase starts justifying its cost. The articulation is precise, not loosey-goosey. You set an angle and it stays. No drooping, no gradual sagging towards your lap as you drive. But, and this is a crucial but, this performance hinges entirely on one thing: your car's vent design. If your vents are vertical, deep-set, or flimsy, you might have issues. Therefore, the CD slot mount becomes your best friend, and I've got some thoughts on that coming up. \n switching to the CD slot mount was a revelation. It's a simple, slide-in design that locks with a tightening dial. This thing is rock solid. It transforms the holder into a central, dash-integrated command center. It feels like a factory install. The vibration damping is even better here, as the phone isn't absorbing shocks through the vent blades. The view is perfect, right in your line of sight. This mount alone could be a product, and for many, it will be the primary and most stable way to use the Miracase. However, there is a trade-off, a compromise that isn't advertised on the shiny Amazon box. \n, you permanently lose your CD slot. Now, for most of us in the streaming age, that's a non-issue. My CD collection is currently a decorative coaster. But if you're one of the 3 people left who still listens to *NSYNC CDs on your morning drive, this is a deal-breaker. Therefore, you need to audit your dashboard's real estate before buying. Do you have a usable vent? Is your CD slot free? Or will you need to use the sticky dashboard pad? The adhesive disc is a strong third option, but it's a semi-permanent commitment to a spot on your dash. Let's talk about the core tech, the magnets. \n, this is the 3-in-1's party trick. The magnetic attachment is shockingly strong. I could vigorously shake the entire mount with the phone attached, and it wouldn't budge. Yet, the removal is a simple, clean twist-off. No wrestling, no fear of flinging your phone across the cabin. The included metal plate is slim enough to go under most cases, or you can use the provided clear case which has it built in. The magnet alignment is forgiving. You get close, and it snaps into the optimal position. It's pure magic. But is it perfect? Here comes that contrarian snapback I promised. There's a hidden flaw with wireless charging, \n wireless charging, the elegant, cable-free future. The Miracase magnet ring can seriously interfere with it. If the plate is on the outside of your case or you're using their case, most standard Qi chargers will fail. The metal disrupts the charging field. It's like trying to have a deep conversation at a heavy metal concert. The signals just can't get through. Therefore, if wireless charging on your desk or in your home is non-negotiable, you need a strategy. You either remove the plate every time, a hassle, use a charger powerful enough to penetrate it, rare, or accept that you'll be plugging in a cable at home. It's the product's biggest compromise, and now for the deep dive on daily use. The convenience is undeniable. Getting in the car and just snapping your phone into place becomes a ritual. It's faster than fumbling with clamps or grips. It looks clean and minimalist. No ugly claws obscuring your screen. The holder itself is low profile and stylish. In a week of testing, from quick grocery runs to a 3-hour road trip, it never failed. Not once. It handled a heavy iPhone Pro Max without a shudder. That reliability, that set it and forget it peace of mind is a huge part of the value proposition. But let's get brutally honest about price. Is it worth the extra money? And therefore, let's do a cost-benefit analysis. A basic clip-style holder costs $10. It holds your phone, it wobbles, it blocks your vent air, it feels cheap. The Miracase costs roughly 3 to 4 times that. For that premium, you're buying rock-solid stability, multiple mounting options for a perfect fit, the sheer convenience of magnetic attachment, a premium build that won't break, and a sleek, low-profile design. You're not buying a holder, you're buying a solution to the irritation of bad holders. It's the difference between a rickety folding chair and a proper office chair for your phone. One just about works, the other actually improves the experience. And so, who is this asterisk not asterisk for? If you change cars constantly, the semi-permanent adhesive disc is a no-go. If your car has unusable vents and no CD slot, you're stuck. If wireless charging is your religion, the magnet plate is a heretic. And if you're on a tight budget and your $10 clip works well enough, the upgrade might feel hard to justify. But for everyone else, the commuters, the rideshare drivers, the road trippers who want a no-compromise mount, the Miracase makes a compelling case. It turns a daily annoyance into a non-issue. That's worth something. And let's add some humor. My old holder was so bad, my phone would navigate me to places I never intended to go out of sheer desperation. Trying to use the vent clip felt like performing delicate surgery on my car's HVAC system with oven mitts on. The adhesive on my previous holder was so weak, I'm pretty sure a strong sentiment could have dislodged it. And the Miracase magnet is so strong, I briefly worried my phone would start attracting other metallic objects, like loose change or a hesitant satellite. And therefore, here is the final resolution. After weeks of testing, the Miracase 3-in-1 car phone holder is a top-tier product. It excels in build quality, magnetic strength, and versatile, stable mounting. It solves the core problems of wobble, droop, and fumbling attachment with elegant, effective solutions. The wireless charging interference is its only significant downside, and for many, that's a manageable trade-off for the daily convenience it provides. Is it worth the extra money? If you value reliability, sleek design, and never thinking about your phone holder again, then absolutely yes. It's an investment in eliminating a minor but constant headache. For the single best price on Amazon and to see the current deals, click the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if your vents are heroes or villains.